Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel One Innovation. Yesterday we had some heavy rain and today I just had to show you what it's like after a good downpour. Check this out. There is this massive waterlogged in this area. But let me tell you, the weather is absolutely amazing. The sun's out shining gently. There is a cool breeze in the air. And everything feels so fresh and clean. You know, there is a news that lots of places got waterlogged, but I wanted to take you on a little drive to show you just how beautiful it can be after the rain. See the beauty of nature, the sky, the palm trees, and the sea and the road. Altogether, it's amazing, isn't it? Look at that sky. It's so clear. No dust anywhere. It's just stunning. And even with all this water around, it's still such a beautiful sight. And now we are going to enter the waterlogged area. Viewers, at first I was a bit nervous, but I decided to drive through it anyway. As I went on, the water started getting deeper, and I started feeling a bit uneasy. It looks like I am driving into the sea. I thought about turning back, but then I realized the water was deeper than I thought. So I made the call to reverse and I find another route. I hope you enjoyed seeing the day after the rain with me. Until next time, stay safe and take care. Till then, bye bye.